Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's sneak peek, I want to illustrate or showcase you guys on some of the future videos and presentations that we are going to do for you to be able to create more sophisticated scenarios. And one of the interesting concepts is how to simulate projectiles and rocket launches for, let's say, in a real-time strategy game or any other war game that you might be interested in. That's kind of my favorite genre. My favorite genre of games are RTS games. And specifically speaking, I used to play the Command and Conquer genre quite a bit, and of course, Age of Empires as well. Same genre, but two different themes. In this particular demo, I'm going to illustrate the Command and Conquer type of a style gaming where you can create and expand your base using high-tech military. All right, so let's take a look at a quick simulation over here. So we have three targets and we have a particular source of projectile destination. And those targets have been already predefined. This can be done at runtime, but for the purpose of this demonstration, they are pre-configured. And I'm going to go ahead and launch the first projectile to the first target, followed by the second one and the third one. And as you can see, there's a really cool rocket simulation that's going and reaching their destination. And as they impact their targets, you also get a really cool visual effects with a cool explosion and etc. Eventually, you can also incorporate some audio effects in this as well. So let's go ahead and see this one more time. One, two, three. And I can keep on continue doing this, and it's going to go ahead and launch those projectiles to the appropriate targets. And I think this is something interesting that a lot of people will be interested in learning how to do. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. As I mentioned to you guys, the future videos are going to become much more interesting, not just from a visual perspective, but also from the actual system building perspective. But before you get to that level, you do need to understand the basic fundamental principles and concepts. And hence, I've dedicated a lot of time putting very simple videos illustrating all of those basic fundamental concepts before we get to the next level. All right. Thanks for watching and see you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.